another stunning hot hatch has just arrived. This is the Mark A Volkswagen Golf R in the amazing Lapiz Blue, which is a great metallic blue with 6,000 miles on the car, 21 registration, which means you have manufacturer's warranty up until 2024. The car's got 320 brake horsepower. It's a beautiful 5-door hatchback that has lots of extras on it, but fundamentally the Golf Rs do come standard with a great specification. Now, this being the new model car is very sporty. It's got some great lines and curvatures on it. It's just a brilliant car. But for me, the Golf R screams out reliability. It does what it says on the tin, and this is where you're not disappointed. And they look amazing from every single angle. So from the front, first of all, VW have something called the IQ lighting system, which is the glass piece for the LED daytime running lights, that lovely strip LED that goes all the way across the front. And then this being the R line, it's top of the range, so you have the sporty bumpers, the sporty wheels. Everything's about being sporty, but still being very classy at the same time, because you can get some sporty hot hatches, and they look a little bit too much for me. Now this one again, alongside that Lapiz Blue, you can see all the black features in the front bumpers, around the grills. That blue stripe being the Golf R because the GTI has the red stripe. The new R badging for me is nice. The little twist on that looks beautiful. And then this one has obviously the Golf R wheels on it, which is diamond cut, and the black inserts. Now, it's like anything, they're 18-inch size, they're comfortable to drive, very little road noise, and then this one has the blue R calipers as well. Side vents with the R logo again. You've got the iconic, lovely aluminium matte finish to the wing mirror covers. Black window surrounds, sun protection glass, and the biggest extra for me on this car is a tilt and sliding panoramic roof. As for the interior, you have that beautiful, again, very sporty seats, half Alcantara, and then you've got that normal tartan finish in the midsection as well. If you look at the logo on the back of the seats with the new R logo, flat bottom steering wheel, full touch sensitive steering wheel as well, with a heated steering wheel. You then got things like navigation, Bluetooth, wireless charging pad, automatic gearbox, what you call DSG, with paddle shift. And being the hatchback, 5-door, 5-seater, all your friends and family can get in it and really enjoy the car. You've got the same colour theme, which is the blue and grey all the way through. Colour-coded side skirts. The car is in absolute fabulous condition, but you wouldn't expect anything different. A car with this age and this sort of miles, it's amazing. Like the front, round the back, you have the same, the IQ lighting system as well. So you've got the individual LED lighting. I love the detailing behind it. It looks brilliant. And again, that R badge bang in the middle below the boot release. For the hatchback, the boot space is more than generous. The seats do go down 60-40, and this does come out all together. You have got a 2-level boot here, so you can lift this out and lift it and put it higher, so you can put things underneath, so you can pick and choose what's best for you. And as for the back, again, being a hot hatch, you've got the quad tailpipes, which produces a great sound, but again, 320 brake horsepower in a, what you call a mid-size hatchback is brilliant. And the performance is undeniably brilliant, to be fair. Push button start, full digital dash, the paddle shift, touch sensitive volume and everything else, the R button, adaptive cruise control. Again, everything is touch sensitive, so the new modern cars like this one, you don't need to push too much. You literally just touch if it's on my headlights or front fog lights. Same with the heating controls. I love this idea here. You can literally just touch it, hot and cold you want it, and how fast you want the volumes to go. Automatic hold, automatic handbrake, 2 keys, park brake, everything is there. As for the reverse, your parking sensors with the guidelines where it goes green, amber and red. For me, this just does exactly what it's supposed to do. So the biggest thing with this car is it's got DCC. Now with the DCC, when you go to individual, you can hear the revs change there. When you press that button, you can literally control how hard or sharp you want to configure that different dynamic chassis control in this car, and that's massive because a lot of them don't have that, and that is brilliant. So when you are looking at Golf Rs, you'll see most of them haven't got DCC. So pan roof, Lapiz Blue, 6,000 miles with DCC, under manufacturer's warranty, in an amazing condition, has just arrived. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.